Bullish Theta organization cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $3.84 and $7.25 by 2030. Market experts accept Theta could reach $2.99 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is 68 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local digital money is additionally called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two sorts of hubs on the Theta organization: ordinary hubs and asset-rich watchman hubs. Customary hubs procure prizes for sharing their assets, while gatekeeper hubs acquire significantly bigger compensations for confirming blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the critical elements of the Theta network is its utilization of edge storing. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client as opposed to at a unified area. This diminishes inertness and works on streaming quality by decentralizing substance conveyance. Theta can give a preferred streaming encounter over customary CDNs. One more significant component of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with insignificant effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web clog by appropriating traffic among various ways at the same time. How Theta functions. The primary thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video real-time stage like YouTube or Jerk. It's likewise a decentralized organization fueled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share transmission capacity and processing assets on a P2P premise. At the end of the day, Theta is intended to be a more proficient and decentralized approach to web-based video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are essentially PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can decrease inactivity and work on streaming quality, while Theta's mainnet chips away at an agreement component that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards. The stage furnishes great streams with low inactivity, and clients can procure compensations for giving transmission capacity assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has serious areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. Theta Value Estimate. The Theta organization vows to reform the manner in which we transfer video by decentralizing information conveyance and offering clients compensations for sharing their transmission capacity assets. The local cryptographic money of the organization is Theta Token, which can be utilized to approve exchanges and stake in the organization. I'll see Theta's cost expectations for 2022 and then some. Theta has proactively taken extraordinary steps since its send-off. The mainnet has gone live and sent off big business conferencing with Samsung VR. These triumphs have prompted a positive cost pattern for Theta all through a large portion of 2020 and 2021. Looking forward, there are a few impetuses that could keep on driving the cost of Theta vertical. To begin with, the reception of 5G will work on streaming quality and lead to additional excellent streams being conveyed over Theta's decentralized organization. Second, as additional organizations take on big business conferencing controlled by Theta, interest for Theta will increment. At last, as the crypto market keeps on developing, financial backers will progressively see Theta as a decent long-haul venture because of its solid essentials. In light of these elements, we accept that Theta's cost is supposed to reach $5 by 2022. In any case, it is essential to take note of that cryptographic money costs are exceptionally unpredictable and possibly impacted by various outside elements like worldwide financial circumstances or guideline changes. Our forecast ought to be considered alongside other market examinations while pursuing venture choices. The ongoing economic situations are bullish for Theta, and the cost is supposed to keep on ascending before very long. I accept that Theta is a wise speculation at its ongoing value because of its utilization case in the video web-based industry as well as its accomplished group. I anticipate that it should arrive at new highs in 2023 as additional individuals become mindful of its true capacity. Theta organization is presently worth 85 cents USD. Theta has moved 0.90% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,542,728. Theta organization is as of now positioned 54 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $852,929,381 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Theta organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Theta organization value expectation 2023. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Theta cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1.28. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.19 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.02. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Theta Organization Theta Cost Forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.13. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Theta's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.71 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.88. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.99 and Theta might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.73 and a low of $2.56 in 2025. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Theta Organization effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.84, with a base cost of $3.41 and a typical cost of $3.58. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.44 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.26 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Theta has a most extreme value worth of $4.69. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come associations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.29. In the event that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $5.54. Neglecting to accumulate the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.12. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $5.97 and a yearly cost close above $6.40 in 2029. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Theta Organization will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $6.82 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $7.25.